check out this POV mount kit set that I received from K&F Concept. Now, this is a complete set that comes with 4 J hooks, a vertical adapter, a 1/4 inch adapter, and also a headset. We got a chest mount, and we also have a wrist strap mount here, including a camera and a book bag strap mount. So these are very easy to operate. So for example, you include you just attach it to this adapter here, the vertical adapter, and then you can tighten it, and then this is pretty steady here. And then this also comes with a screw, so you can attach devices like the Osmo Pocket. This is great for vertical mount because it has a vertical mount right here. And then you could also attach, of course, like the GoPro, the Insta360, and these it's essentially plug and play. So you just kind of push this in like so, like that. So, and then you're good to go. Now this also rotates. So if it's on your strap on your wrist, for example, you can rotate this very easily and get to exactly where you want it. This goes on your head, and this also rotates as well. And then of course you can strap like a GoPro or something else right onto your chest. I'm going to show you what it looks like here on my body as well. All right, I know it looks a little silly with all of these straps on me at the same time, but you can technically have 4 cameras on you at the same time, which is pretty amazing. So you get exactly the shot that you want. So I can't wait to use this. I'm going to be backpacking or probably mountain biking or maybe skateboarding a little bit later this week. So this is going to be perfect. I'm going to get some great footage. But hope you all found this helpful. Thank you for the brand for sending this out, and have a great one.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.